Hey everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today I've got some really awesome cucumbers from the garden, so I'm going to show you how to make some refrigerator pickles. These are real easy to make and they're great on so many things. And I'm also going to show you how to make a regular version and also a hot, spicy version with some peppers that I picked from my garden. These are double tongues and they got a great level of heat, so let me show you how to make it.